If today is your first time or coming across my video or my page is all about taking a particular question in mathematics and solve like four examples. Are you getting it? So that is all about my page. I'm on TikTok, on Facebook, on YouTube channel, and also on Instagram. So taking a particular question and solve like four examples before moving to another question. Now we are still under differentiation. We are still under differentiation. Now we want to look at derivative of trigonometric function. Derivatives of trigonometric function. What are the function, trigonometric function? We are talking of identity like cosine, sine, tan, cosec, cot, sec. So all these are what? All these are derivative questions. Now, if y equals to sine x, so by the time we differentiate sine x, what do we have? The y, the x, it will give you what? Cos x. That is sine x. When you differentiate sine x, you have what? We have cos x. Then b, if y equals to sine ax, there is a constant a equals to sine as. What do you do? By the time you differentiate this one, what do? You first bring out the constant, which is this one, then differentiate sine s, then differentiation of sine s is what? Is cos x. Are you getting it? So we have this one. Okay, so then if y equals to cos x, then the y, the x, that is differentiation of cos x is what? Is minus sine x. That is differentiation of what? Cos x is what? Is minus sine x. Then the next one is if y equals to cos ax, then the y, the x. There is a constant here. What do? You first bring out the constant, okay? Then you now differentiate cos x. And the differentiation of cos x is what? Is minus sine x. Therefore, you have minus a sine ax. Okay? Now, let's take another one, which is if y equals to tan x, then the y, the x is what? Is sec square x. That is, the differentiation of tan x is what? Is sec square x. Now, if y equals to sec x, then the y, the x is what? Is sec x times x. And not only that, we can see half. Let's say this is E, F, G. If what? If y equal to cosec x, then the y, the x is going to be minus cot x, then we have cosec x. So that is cos x. We have minus cot x, cosec x. Then what is the last one? What is the last one? G. What is the last one? If y equals to what? Equals to cot x, then we have the y, the what? The s equals to what? Minus cosec x. So that is cot x. It will give you what? The y, the s as well minus cosec x. So all these identities, they are very, very important to know their differentiation. So it will help you by the time you come across any question under this derivative of what? Of trigonometric function.